Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and today we're going to be installing a much needed mod on the 11th gen Honda Civic. Let's go. So the first time I've ever seen the 11th gen, I was kind of disappointed because they made the design super boring. It's not like the 10th gen where it's super aggressive. This time they went for a more mature look. And one of the things that I said that I don't like about this car is that the front of the car looks weird. Looks like a beluga whale pretty much. But there are some mods to make the car look better. And in this video, I found a splitter or lip, whatever you want to call it, on a website called ninte or ninte. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but Ninte shop. So I went ahead, made the purchase. I got it for a pretty good price. I believe I paid $139 for this lip. If you haven't heard of this company before, they have a huge variety of visual car mods, not only for just Honda Civics, but for all major car brands, whether if it's for BMWs, Mopars, you name it, they probably have your brand of car. So be sure to check them out. They offer their products at a very good price and their quality is top notch. Again, ninteshop.com. Be sure to check them out. I'll be linking it down below in the description. So this is what the car looks like currently. It looks like something is missing in the front. That's one of the things that I didn't like about this car because it just looked plain. But now that I put wheels and some other things on the car, it looks so much better. So today, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install my splitter on this car to make it stand out. If we compare this car as of right now, back when this car was stock, there is a night and day difference, guys. Like, I don't even recognize this car anymore. This car looks so freaking awesome. This is what the front looks like. As you can see, it's just super plain. So we're gonna be doing something to that today, make it stand out and not look like your basic regular 11th gen Honda Civic that you see all the time on the road. Starting off with the unboxing. So this is what the product comes with. Of course, you get your splitter. It's a 3-piece splitter, so obviously we have the middle piece and then the 2 side pieces. Then of course the hardware is included, which is the double-sided tape, adhesion promoter, and then our screws. Now, you already know I had to go with matte black because if I went glossy black, then this is going to be the only piece that is glossy black on the car, which is going to look a little bit weird because everything else is matte black. So for the 3-piece splitter, you actually have to screw these into place. So you just have to align these two, put them together like that. So this is what the splitter looks like now. As you see, the 2 holes right there, I screwed on the 2 screws, the silver screws that came with this. I went ahead and jacked up my car a little bit, so now we're gonna be going underneath the car. And this is why I lifted it up so that I can at least fit underneath. So you see these little plastic tabs right here, or these plastic screws? You're gonna have to take them off because you're gonna use these to align your splitter. That way it'll be perfect. It'll be mounted on perfectly onto your car. Take these off, so it's gonna be 1 here, 2, 3, 4 over there. You're also gonna have to remove this guy right here, the one closest to your wheel, and then this one. For those of you who have fog lights, this is where you're gonna have access to the fog lights, which we can pretty much install on this vehicle. We just have to connect the wires and stuff and put a button somewhere inside of the car, which that could be a future video if you guys want. So anyways, it's this one and this one. So once you have everything removed, it should look like this. That's done. All of these on the front, then on the side. Next, went ahead and stuck the 3M tape onto the splitter, just like this. Basically, gonna line up these with this one right here. Once you put the plastic screws on, you're gonna push the splitter against the bumper so that it'll stick because it has the double-sided tape. And now we're gonna take the included screws and then we're gonna drill into the pre-existing holes. So you're gonna do all these little tiny holes, including over there. And just like that, we have officially finished installing the front splitter for the 11th gen Honda Civic. If I wasn't filming, this should have took me at least 30 the quickest, 45 minutes maybe. But yeah, it looks so much better. Definitely worth it, guys. And like I said, it matches the matte look of the car. It makes the car look like it has vents on the bottom, even though those aren't functioning, obviously. Definitely a huge improvement. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more content on the channel of my 11th gen Honda Civic as well as my 10th gen Type R. So be sure to subscribe for more videos. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time and peace out.